This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Darling Taylor. Newly remodeled basement ranch-style home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and a split bedroom floor plan. Master suite offers a master bath with double vanities, new kitchen cabinets and beautiful granite countertops with luxury vinyl flooring and new stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator, and stainless steel microwave. Home has lots of light coming in with all new Energy Star vinyl windows. Home has stylish colors and finishes throughout, including some original refinished hardwood flooring, heated and cold sunroom, spacious bonus room downstairs with vinyl plank flooring. Additional unfinished rec room downstairs could be finished for extra living space, covered front porch, and nice back patio area. New low maintenance vinyl siding, 1 attached carport. Home has a cellar. For more information, review the details below or contact Darling Taylor at 865-693-1111.